How to fix your broken LCD phone. Because I'm in the mood for doing how-to videos. Here's your phone. Pressing down the power button. It's not happening. Battery's in place. In this case it's a Samsung Tocco Lite. Yeah, it's not working. So what you have to do to actually fix this is go to your nearest window, take the phone. This actually does work, seriously. I'm not joking, this is serious. This is serious stuff. Take your phone and then throw it. And now we should find it in tip-top condition. Here's one bit. Here's another bit. And for the phone itself, well, it's fixed itself and it's run off. So that is how to fix a broken phone.